You're listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast, where we show you how to do life and business confident, focused, and with a plan so that you can make more money. Have more free time and less stress. Your host, Wayne Withersby, will uncover actionable hacks, strategies, tips, and insights you can use today to live a better, more productive life. It's time to boost your mindset, confidence, and your attitude. Here's your host, Coach Wayne.
Can you believe it? 2024 already, and we're off and sailing. Welcome to January 3rd. This is episode 1 of season 5. And we're going to start out 2024 with a bang. We're going to start out talking about strategic living and getting productive results. So we're going to uncover some secrets of that. So basically, our world is filled with distractions and constant demands on our time, right? The pursuit of productivity has become this huge goal for a lot of folks. But what if the key to unlocking a more productive life in personal and business lies not just in this relentless pursuit of efficiency, but in a deeper understanding of strategic living? So in this episode, we're going to delve into the secrets behind strategic living and what that means, to unveil the kind of hidden gems that can transform the way that we approach our daily lives. The essence of strategic living. Okay, at its core, strategic living is not just about doing more in less time. It's about aligning your actions with your long-term goals and values. So unlike traditional productivity methods that focus solely on completing tasks, strategic living encourages individuals to take a deep step back and assess the bigger picture. It's kind of like a holistic approach that integrates the mindful decision-making with purposeful action. Okay? So the blueprint. So to comprehend the kind of nuances of the strategic living, it's essential to grasp that blueprint that underlies the transformative lifestyle. So at the heart of it's kind of this conscious allocation of resources, right? Time, energy, and attention. We got to put those towards activities that align with one's overarching goals. So instead of being reactive to the demand of the moment, strategic living involves proactive planning and intentional decision making. That's the difference. So it's about time mastery and prioritization. So one of the fundamental pillars of this strategic living is mastering the art of time. It's not about squeezing more tasks into your day, but rather identifying the high impact activities that propel you closer to your objectives. So through careful prioritization, individuals can focus on what truly matters, avoiding the trap of business for its own sake. So, strategic thinking and decision making, how does that work together? Well, strategic living demands a shift from the reactive decision making to strategic thinking. This involves anticipating potential challenges and evaluating various options and making decisions that contribute to long-term success. So by adopting a strategic mindset, individuals gain a heightened sense of control over their lives. This fosters a more intentional and purposeful existence. So mindfulness and action, what does that look like? Well, embedded in our daily lives within the fabric of strategic living is the practice of mindfulness. This isn't just about meditation. It's about being fully present in each moment and making a conscious decision and conscious choices. So by cultivating your mindfulness, individuals can better navigate the complexities of modern life, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being, which is really what we're after, right? So what is the role of habits in strategic living? Well, habits are the building blocks of daily life. Am I right? Strategic living emphasizes the importance of cultivating positive routines. So whether it's a morning ritual that sets a positive tone for the day or a systematic approach to tackling tasks, strategic habits create a foundation for sustained success. That's why if you use this in the professional arena, like in the workplace, strategic living takes on a new dimension. It involves aligning career goals with personal values, negotiating opportunities that contribute to long-term success, and building meaningful personal and professional relationships. This approach not only fosters individual growth, but also contributes to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven work environment. Now, there are some success stories of strategic living. So to validate this idea of strategic living, we explore the success stories of individuals who have embraced this transformative lifestyle. From entrepreneurs who strategically navigated the challenges of business to professionals who strategically advanced their careers. These stories serve as beacons of inspiration for those seeking to unlock their full potential. Now, there's a dark side of productivity. Bet you haven't thought of that. While strategic living offers a refreshing perspective on productivity, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential pitfalls. The pressure to constantly optimize every aspect of life can get and lead to burnout and a sense of inadequacy. So striking a balance between productivity and well-being is essential for sustainable success. So we're going to unlock the secrets of strategic living. So as we unravel the layers of strategic living, right, it becomes evident that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it's a personalized journey that requires self-awareness, adaptability, and a commitment to continue improvement. So by integrating the principles of strategic living into our lives, we can uncover the secrets to more purposeful and fulfilling and ultimately productive existence. Now, we're going to end here pretty shortly. And you're thinking, well, wait a second. I want you to go back and listen to this and take notes. Those are the secrets. It's that simple. The strategic living offers a paradigm shift in our approach to productivity. It transcends the conventional wisdom of task completion and invites individuals to orchestrate their lives in alignment with their deepest aspirations. So as we embark on this investigative journey into the realm of strategic living, one thing becomes clear. The secret to more productive life are hidden not in the relentless pursuit of efficiency, but in the intentional pursuit of life well lived. I hope you guys have an amazing January. Let's get this year started off with a bang. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Do me a favor. If you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel yet, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate you taking your few minutes here to get these nuggets that'll help you live a better and productive life. Check us out on TikTok, our new YouTube channel. We're on Instagram. We are on Facebook. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. And go check out my buddies at Crawl Zone TV on YouTube. KRAWLZONE TV. A new friend of the show. Thank you so much.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.